We have another craft kit that's ready for pickup at your local branch. In the kit, you'll have everything that you need to make a countdown to Christmas chain. It's perfect for preschoolers, their families, or their caregivers to make together. But it also includes 24 suggestions of early literacy activities that you can do with your child. The kits are available for pickup now at your local branch. Keep watching this video and I'll show you how to put it together. In the package, you will get a yellow sheet with a big star on it with a nice little rhyme in the middle. And you'll get 4 pieces of paper in nice Christmas colors, like that. And you'll get a sheet of stickers with the numbers 1 to 24 on it. All that you need to have at home is a good pair of scissors. The first step is to take the pieces of paper, and you'll notice that there's a nice red dotted line across each strip. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut across each strip, and you'll end up with 24 strips. So take your scissors. Scissors are a great preschool fine motor skill. So take your scissors and you're going to take little bites with your scissors and go all the way across. Investing in a good pair of preschool scissors, especially if your child's left-handed, is really valuable. It's a great skill to have, and it's a lot of fun. You're going to keep cutting across until you have all your strips cut. I have my cutting done, and now I have all these strips of paper. I'm going to turn them into rings. You've got this sheet of paper, and it's actually stickers that say 1 to 24. And I don't know about you, but my boys and I had a really hard time getting stickers off of a sheet until the world's smartest mom showed me this trick, and I'm going to share it with you. Maybe a grown-up can do this best. If you turn over a corner of the sticker sheet, and if you peel away carefully the outside frame of the sticker sheet, you are left with just the stickers that you want to use. And then it's a lot easier for someone with little fingers to just get a sticker off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a ring, and this might be a good job for 2 people to do together. I'm going to show you how one person does it. So I'm going to take a strip of paper and I'm going to turn it into a ring, and this is where another person would come in handy. I'm going to get a number off of my sheet of stickers, and I'm going to put it where my ring comes together. I'm going to put my sticker across, and that's going to close up my ring, so I have a nice ring. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. I've got a whole bunch of different colors, and I'm going to try and make a pattern. I'm going to make my pattern red, white, green, white. Red, white, green, white. Can you remember that pattern? So if it's red, white, green, white, and I have red, my next color needs to be white. And one more little tricky step is I have my number 1 ring, and I've got my white slip. I'm going to feed it through and make a ring, and that's how you turn rings into a chain. So now I have number 1, and I need to go with number 2. So I'm going to take my number 2 sticker, and I'm going to close up my my strip of paper. I'm going to close it up into a ring, and look at it, I've got the start of a chain. So I'm going to keep going with my pattern. My pattern's red, white, green, white. Red, white, green, white. So if I have red, white, my next color is green. I have all my links put together, and I took the end that says 1 and I attached it to the sheet of paper that has the star on it. I can then put this up, the sign with the chain, somewhere in my house, and it will help me if I start at the very bottom of the chain. It'll help count down the days of Christmas. When you open up each slip, 1 a day, inside is a suggestion on an early literacy activity that you can do with the children at your house. This one says, read a library book together. Read it again, and make up a new story to go with the illustrations. This kit is a sneak peek of a new program that we'll be launching in January of 2021. It's called Get Ready to Read. It's an early literacy program specifically designed for young children who have not yet started school. Stay tuned for more details. Kawartha Lakes Public Library, millions of opportunities, one exceptional library.